Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how I make my Sunday special palm nut soup. This turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So I'll use goat meat. I have dry fish, smoked dry fish, I have pomo, I have chicken. You can use any protein, any meat of your choice. To that I'll blend onion, ginger, garlic, fennel seed, habanero pepper, and then add it to the meat. I'll then add in meat seasoning, vegetable seasoning, and salt. I'll then stir it to bring everything together, and then I'll leave it for it to cook for about 10 minutes. By then, I'll taste if the salt is okay before adding in the rest of the ingredients. So I'll close it here now, and then I'll leave it for it to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll give it a quick stir, and then the next ingredient that I'll be adding is supaku, which is salted fish. So this is optional, but then I love salted fish like this supaku, and then this is kako. We call it kako in Ghana. I love it in my soup, but then it's optional. So whilst it's cooking, I'll then go ahead and prepare the palm soup base. And this palm chaps was given to me by a friend. She brought it from Ghana, and trust me, it was so delicious. It's been ages that I ate the real palm with the palm fruit itself. So guys, I added hot water to it. I'll then take out the chaps, and then I'll sieve it. I'll sieve it like twice and add it to the soup. So after sieving, I'll add it back to the soup. So you know, palm soup takes a long time to cook, so don't overcook the meat before adding in your palm soup base, because if not, the meat is going to get too tender, and then if you like it that way, that's fine. But then I let mine cook for more or less 15 minutes, and then I added in the palm soup base. I then went ahead and add in onion, habanero pepper, and tomato. My snail was hard, it's the dry one, so I added it to it at the initial stage. So by the time the soup is done cooking, it also has softened up and it's good to go. So I let the veggies cook for about 10 minutes or until they are well cooked. I took them out and then blended it. I then added back to the soup, and then I rinsed the blender and adding just a little bit of water to the soup. So basically this the palm soup base, like the palm soup. And to the Nigerians out there, please, this is not banga soup, it's palm soup. This is how I love my palm nut soup. It's not too thick like yours. Ours, it's a bit watering, but if you're using it to eat maybe bangkun or maybe rice balls, that's where you make it thick. But I prefer mine like that, so please. I then added in periwinkle snail. I love it. It was also brought for me from Ghana. And then lastly, I'll add in spinach, which is totally optional. So the meat that I'm using, the spinach, they are all optional. You can choose to add it to it or avoid it. And guys, this is it. It's simple, it's easy, and trust me, it's so delicious, guys. It's going on in my house right now. Today is Sunday, we're eating fufu. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share my videos. It encourages me to do more videos, so keep on sharing. And to the Ghanaians out there, help your sister grow up a channel. Let's grow Ghanaian African food. Let's take it to the next level, guys. I'll let this cook for about 10 minutes more until it thickens up just a little bit, and this is ready, guys. Wow, just look at it. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful, guys? So guys, there is it. By then my fufu was ready, and then there's nothing else left for me to serve this amazing food to my friends. My friends really enjoyed it, guys. They really enjoyed. And I'm recording the audio now. They are here with me. They wanted to take the rest home, but So guys, thanks for watching once again. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.